Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February 2025, our system has ranked TQQQ as a strong sell candidate, assigning its score of -6.76. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a loss of 29%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 1.12% since its classification as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower range of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $52.45 is breached, it could signal an increased rate of decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 25.3% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 31.63% to an increase of 1.05%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 24%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 24% to 113.46% over the next year. In practical terms, this implies a future price that could fall between $71.05 and $122.31. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, TQQQ ETF price down 0.0698% on Monday. The TQQQ ETF price decreased by 0.0698% on the last day, which was Monday, the 31st of March 2025, falling from $57.34 to $57.30. This marks the fourth consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 8.65%, with a low of $53.04 and a high of $57.63. The price has dropped in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 9.18% during this period. Volume increased by 3 million shares on the last day, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the upcoming days. In total, 106 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $6.05 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79, while the lowest price was $48.80. Currently, the price is 38.91%, or $36.49, below the 52-week high, and 64.80%, or $105.49, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when it peaked at $162.79. Recent news surrounding TQQQ, the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ, indicates a potential shift in market sentiment. Strategists from JP Morgan suggest that if U.S. equity exchange-traded funds attract continued inflows, it might signal an end to the current market correction. This implies a bullish outlook for TQQQ and could lead to a price rebound in the short term. However, despite this enthusiasm, some analysts remain cautious about leveraging positions at this time. The recent commentary emphasizes the combination of high valuation risks and significant volatility as concerns. With rising volatility indicated by the high VIX index, short-term trading in TQQQ could be risky, potentially inviting sharp price reversals. On a more optimistic note, the Nasdaq recently reached an all-time high, fueling suggestions that TQQQ could be a solid option for leveraged exposure amid strong economic fundamentals. Still, the market remains aware of the significant risks tied to TQQQ, especially in light of potential overvaluation among large-cap tech stocks. The long-term prospects for TQQQ remain complicated. While the exchange-traded fund has demonstrated impressive performance historically, including a cumulative return that significantly outperformed the Nasdaq 100. The volatility and correction risks could make investors cautious. As TQQQ marks its 15th anniversary with over $25 billion in assets, it represents both opportunity and caution. A reminder that while high rewards are possible, the associated risks can sharply impact stock prices, emphasizing the need for strategic investment planning. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, which may influence near short-term developments. The TQQQ Exchange-Traded Fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at the levels of $62.28 and $71.39. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and thus far it has fallen by 14.87%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been identified. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may perform very poorly in the coming days. This ETF is likely to experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, the ETF is classified as high risk. In the last day, the ETF fluctuated $4.59 between its high and low, which represents an 8.65% change. Over the past week, the ETF has averaged a daily volatility of 5.96%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $59.11. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which means the ETF could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? TQQQ displays several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this ETF. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we expect TQQQ to open lower by $1.31, starting at $55.99. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.